Crafting Wonders. Pinecone Crafts Explained. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the charming world of pinecone crafts. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or new to the game, this video will guide you through the beauty and versatility of pinecone crafts. Get ready to explore how these natural treasures can transform into stunning creations. Pinecone crafts involve creating art, decorations, or practical items using pine cones as the primary material. These crafts are admired for their rustic charm and natural appeal. From simple projects like painting pine cones for a colorful display to more complex creations like wreath making, pinecone crafts offer something for everyone. Before you start your crafting adventure, it's essential to gather and prepare your pine cones. Look for pine cones during a walk in the park or a hike in the woods. Once you've collected them, ensure they are clean and dry. You may need to bake them at a low temperature to remove any sap and critters, making them ready for crafting. Let's explore some popular pinecone craft ideas. Pinecone wreaths. Attach pine cones to a circular base to create a beautiful door decoration. Pinecone ornaments. Decorate pine cones with paint, glitter, or fabric to create unique ornaments for various occasions. Pinecone centerpieces. Combine pine cones with candles, flowers, or other natural elements to create eye-catching centerpieces. Crafting with pine cones can be fun and easy with these tips. Choosing the right glue. Use a strong adhesive, like hot glue, to ensure your pine cones stick to your craft base. Adding color. Spray paint or dip your pine cones in paint for a colorful touch. Embellishments. Don't hesitate to add ribbons, beads, or any other decorative items to personalize your craft. We hope this journey into the world of pinecone crafts has inspired you to start your own project. Remember, crafting is all about creativity and making something unique. Don't be afraid to experiment and put your personal touch on your creations. Happy crafting, and we can't wait to see what you come up with.